Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here, where I'm getting some frustrated. Oh, I have been working on tracking down what is wrong with a disk drive, only to be stymied. Oh, there's a foot. There's a foot off the disk drive. I've been stymied by screws, and I don't like that. And this is the troublesome kind of thing that can really throw me off. So, I went onto my toolbox. I got a hammer. I got a bloody big screwdriver, which really doesn't fit in there at all, so that will be no help. I got another screwdriver. Doesn't fit in there at all, so that will be no help. I got another hammer. What else did I get? Oh, I got some cutting pliers. They will, chances are, they will be no help. I got some old vice grips, maybe. And here's a bigger flat-bladed screwdriver that, who knows, might be helpful for just sort of jarring things. I don't know. It's just very frustrating. So first, I'm going to take this regular screwdriver and the hammer and smack it, and smack it, and smack it, and smack it, and see if that has any effect on getting it to come out. And what I'm really, and so far, it does not. I'm going to try and do this one. Let's see if that has any effect on getting this one to come out. And it does not. Man, I have never had such trouble getting. Oh, now the wire is in the way. See, there is a thing, and I don't know where it is. I have a thing that you put into a thing like this, and as you smack it with a hammer, it actually makes the force of the hammer makes the thing twist. This is not like that. Oh, oh. Okay, it broke free. That's one. Only 3 to go. Did that make this break free? Not at all. Not at all. Okay. Smack some more. Things are falling. Things are falling. Keep smacking. Oh. That's 2. That's halfway home. Oh my. Alright. More smacking. That's 3. Hello? I'm using a hammer. Oh, oh yeah. Kind of like my own auto mechanics teacher used to say. Sometimes. Uh-oh. I think I dropped a screw. Sometimes you gotta use a big hammer. Okay, so now we can pull this out. Oh, oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's possible that I might have just bent some of those things, but that's okay. Oh. Yeah, don't hurt things over there. Okay. So now the drive is out. So I should be able to snip the connector. Not the connector, the zip tie thing. Snip the zip tie. Pull it off. And there's the 2 of them. They can go away. Now, all right. Now, so we got a couple more screws to deal with. Ones that are holding the motor in. And they do have some of that like Loctite stuff on them. Oh no. No. I do not want to smack these. Okay. There's 1. Oh. There's 2. Okay. Take off the belt. Set that aside. This should fall out. And there we have it. Something about this, from what I can figure, is not right. I'm just checking the wires. They all look to be connected. So I'm going to set that aside. And now it's time for the transplant. Here, here's an identical board and an identical everything to what I just took out. So we will line things up. Now we will go back to this little bag. This has the special screws that deal with this. So I have never ever changed one of these before. Now, wouldn't it be terrible? Wouldn't it be awful? Wouldn't it be a disaster if, after all this, the head on this drive is no good? Wouldn't it be tragic? And that may end up being the way it goes. It might. Alright, I'm just trying to line up all the little screws. And they are some tiny. Okay, is that gonna fit? Yes. That one goes in. That one goes in. That one goes in. And then there's one, I think this is a transistor. It has a screw in it to keep it secure. I guess maybe against the heatsink. Makes sense. Alright, so now, oh, this is going to be a challenge. But what about this has not? If you flip the drive over, the motor wants to fall out. Not surprising. So you gotta hold it. Is that the right screw? I'm pretty sure it is, but boy, they're short. Ah! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, well, I guess I can also set this down. The other screw is holding this in place. So now, I can get that screwed in. I can get that screwed in, and indeed, I have just done a motor and circuit board transplant. Now, take a belt and feed it onto the big spindle thing. Oops, it came off. What's going on here? What's going on here? This should fit. This should fit. What is going on here? The belt should go on. And sit quite nicely. But at this moment, Much like everything to do with this, it is giving me some level of grief. And why would that be? It's the same one that just came off of this. Okay, the belt is on. The belt is on. Okay. Right, before I can do much else, I need to get rid. Oh, look. That hammer has seen some life. Yeah, it's a little loose. Ooh, don't swing that too hard. Okay. Gotta get rid of this stuff. Alright, and now, of course, I have another collection of screws. So, put them back in the bag. And of course, there's another bunch of screws here that were in the disk drive, holding it in the thing. I wonder. While I'm here, before I forget, the grabber! I believe I dropped a screw. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. So now, it is quite possible that maybe if I set everything aside and get a working disk drive up here to hook this up to, there it is. There's the board. There's the motor right there. That maybe, just maybe, this disk drive will work. And once again, the head could be damaged, and then this all would have been for nothing. Except, of course, now I know how to do this. So, I need to ponder for a moment, get the other drive up here, see what's what. So thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye for now.